Alright, just want to do a quick video on the '07 Murano. So I gotta say this, replacing the intake gasket and the spark plugs and the back coils is basically what I was going to do. I wasn't going to change the fronts because they're easy enough to get to. But the PCV valve also needs to be replaced, and I just spent quite a bit of time trying to find it. And apparently on the '07, they have put it right here on the valve cover gasket for the rear. So I had this kind of moved off, and I was trying to locate it and watching videos on the '06s and some of the other Muranos. And so yeah, that is moved apparently for the '07. So just wanted to include that if one of you guys get stuck and need to be able to find that. It's probably somewhere where you're not expecting it to be. So hope this helps, and my hat's off to mechanics because I probably should not have tried this entire job, but we're going to see what we can do about finishing it up. Have a good one. God bless.